Okay, so today we are studying about the Greek interiors. Let me share my presentation with you guys and then we'll start. Okay, so basically, what we have in ancient Greek homes, they were plain and simple and they were made out of sand dried mud bricks with foundation of stones. I want you people to write it down as well. So the houses were made of sun-dried mud bricks and the foundation was made of stones. The roof were made of overlapping clay tiles and there were packed mud floors except in the andron. Andron is a public place or the places for the male guests which has sometimes tiled floors.
Ma'am, could you repeat what andron is?
We'll discuss it later, even in the slide. It is a place where they used to have male guests. Not females were not allowed. They used to hang around. The males used to hang around, and it was a like room for the males. So basically, this is a typical layout for the green ancient houses. So the spaces were divided like they have a bedroom, they have a bathroom. Then this gymnasium is a like hangout place for females, for the ladies. The andron was for the males, and the kitchen. So the rooms, basically, they have a large courtyard so that the cool air could build up and circulate through the rooms during the heat of the day. So rooms were aligned like near the courtyard so that they can get the cool air. The next is the bathroom. So you can see there is a like in the picture they have a bathroom in the corner and then they have it a communal toilet. They had chamber pots but no such toilets. So people used to back LI and communal toilets outdoor. So in the house they have a bathroom but the toilets were communal and they were outdoor. So this andron and gymnasium which we were talking about was two separate areas for men and for women. In details, the andron was a room which was reserved for the males to entertain male guests, and the room has a separate entrance to the street so that male guests did not have to cross the path with the ladies of the house. So basically, the male area and the female area was separated, and like they highly and they used to see that there is no connection between or conversation or maybe they don't like cross paths with each other, so they have a separate male and a female area. Then in the gymnasium there was a special room. It was a special room for the women of the house, and it was also called gynecon, where the women worked on their weaving, spinning, they entertained their friends, they have female relatives, and they used to look around their children. So it was like a woman quarter where they used to do their work. All the women of the family and the relatives used to do their work and have like some entertainment kind of a thing, having party or like taking care of their children. So this was the area which was used by the women only. Then we have the kitchen. In kitchen, the Greeks, the food was very simple and the healthy. They mostly use olive oil and grain which was stored in large jars called amphoria and pitoi, and cooking was done in a plain quartz pot. So the in the like you can see the terracotta pots images there, which was like these kind of pots were used for cooking and storing their things. And the beds which they have, they used to save it for entertaining and for special occasion, and they were beautifully decorated. The next is the bedroom. So the bedroom of a family was simply furnished. Beds were similar to the couches used with the men's dining room. Wooden chests were used to store clothing and other items. So here they have a chest, they have different kind of furniture, different kind of seatings. Um, the furniture we'll be studying in the next class. So basically, these were the things, these were the rooms by which they have been segregated. Their residence is segregated. So what you have to do, you have to make an assignment. You have to explain all the rooms, all the variety of rooms which Greek in ancient Greek houses. You have to sketch. Obviously, you have to sketch. You can use the same figure. You can have a blow up and can expand the specific area as well. Uh, so, like read more and more about the furniture. Like if we are explaining the chest, read about what is a chest. Then there are different type of stools. Um, I want you people to be ready with a like sketchbook with everything. Just make sure you have done everything, like starting with the architecture to the interiors. And in the next class, we'll be discussing it. Anyone who has already submitted the assignment? Is there anyone who has already submitted the assignment?
No, ma'am.
Akriti, you were doing it yesterday. You asked me, like you were having few queries. Did you have like completed it and submitted it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, complete it and submit it. You can complete it right now if you have time and submit it. Like if it is in the halfway. If you have not started, then let me know. Um, when is your next class? Okay, I'll schedule your assignment according to that, and then you can do it. Okay, guys, be in the class and start working. And if you have any query, do ask me. If you need any notes, ask me. Go through the recordings as well, and I'll be giving you all the PPTs as well. Is it okay?
Yes,
And
ma'am. Ma'am,
yeah.
मैम वो आप स्टार्टिंग से सारे जितने भी आपने टॉपिक पढ़ाए हैं उतने सबके मैम नेम्स एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए या मैम टाइप करके सेंड कर दीजिए ताकि मैम असाइनमेंट बनाने में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो एंड सीक्वल वाइज बने.
Acha, okay. I'll share it in your WhatsApp group with like with the study material, and we have started with the Doric order in the Greek architecture. So from there till this like till the residence, the interior part, you have to do it. And in the next class, we will be studying about the furniture. So include that furniture as well. And this will be your complete assignment for the Greek architecture and interiors. Okay, I'll be sharing all the topics, all the details. And if you need anything else, you can obviously contact me. You can like ask me in the group as well. तो फिर वहीं पे I'll share like maybe you need some images or something. I'll share it over there. Okay, Charu?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, start with the Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian order, and do it today. Like you have half an hour, so you can work on that right now. And for the like for everything else, I'll share it to you. Just give me some time. Okay.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, I have shared all the topics. If you can see, there are three topics: Greek moldings, Greek orders, and there are typical examples, architectural one, and the fourth is the house in ancient Greek, and the last one will be your like ancient Greece furniture, which we'll be discussing in the next class, and you can add this one to your Greek interiors and architecture. Okay, guys, is there any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.